Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make easy croissants. First, combine 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 30 grams of sugar, 5 grams of salt, and 3 grams of instant yeast in a large bowl. Next, add 150 milliliters of cold water and 25 grams of cold cubed butter. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then knead for just 2 minutes. Cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Now for the butter block. Flatten 125 grams of cold butter between 2 sheets of parchment paper into a 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter square. Roll your chilled dough into a rectangle, about 20 centimeters by 40 centimeters. Place the butter block in the center, fold the dough over to enclose it completely, and seal the edges. Give it a single fold, then refrigerate for 30 minutes. Let's continue the lamination process. Take the dough from the fridge and roll it out again to a 20 centimeter by 40 centimeter rectangle. Perform another single fold, bringing 1/3 of the dough over the middle, then the other third over that. Chill for 30 minutes. Repeat this rolling and folding process one more time for a total of 3 single folds. Finally, chill the dough for at least 1 hour. It's time to shape and bake. Roll your well-chilled dough to about 3 millimeters thick. Cut it into long triangles, roughly 10 centimeters wide at the base. Starting from the wide end, gently roll each triangle towards the tip to form your croissants. Proof them in a warm, humid spot for 1.5 to 2 hours. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes until beautifully golden brown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.